This is the greasable shackle and hanger kit with the optional cross brace. Ride Shocks has developed a product that every 2005 through 2023 Tacoma needs to fix that factory weak link, which is the rear shackle hangers liking to get bowing and flexing around once you get off-roading really hard, or even just normal driving. So really the birth of this product came from the point that every Tacoma has a weak point in the rear shackle hangers. So a lot of Tacoma guys really know that you need to start stiffening up and adding rigidity to that bed. The big thing they start with is bed stiffeners. They do leaf springs, but you know what happens? It's still not fixing the real problem, which is down at the shackle hangers. So what we have here is a product that's going to add thickness with a 1/4 inch shackle bracket. We have greasable shackles, and then we have a cross brace that's going to help to bridge between those two hangers to make sure that you have a nice rigid bed that's going to solve a lot of those issues with them flexing and going back and forth. As important as it is to increase the rigidity of your vehicle, we want to make sure that you also have fun with it too. So we are increasing the travel of your shackle and hanger and leaf springs as a package. We're making sure that you do not lose any ground clearance, and then we also have metric hardware, so we're doing grade 10.9 versus other people using standard hardware that's grade 8. The materials and how we engineered these to work is really important to making sure that it does stay rigid in the rear of your Tacoma. So we started with a 1/4 inch bracket material for the shackle hangers. What's really important, what makes us different from everybody else, is that we did internal gusseting that's going to increase the rigidity. We also have a 3/16 cross brace that's going to go from shackle hanger to shackle hanger. That's going to help tie in your frame and make sure that you have one unified system. So if you have a 2005 through 23 Tacoma, you absolutely need this shackle hanger kit. It's going to help tighten up that rear end, make sure that everything's rigid, and it's going to make sure to fix that factory weak link. If you have any questions at all, make sure to check it out on our website. We have all the specs and everything you need on there. And if you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call. We'll be here to help you out.